Welcome to today video class. This is K. Damodar Reddy, lecturer in chemistry, working in Government Degree College for Women, Vanaparthi. Today we are going to discuss carbonyl compounds. This is useful for second year BSc students. So carbonyl compounds means aldehydes and ketones contain C double bond O group. That group is called carbonyl group. Those compounds are called as the carbonyl compounds. So aldehydes and ketones contain carbonyl group, C double bond O group. So these are called carbonyl compounds. General formula of aldehydes are C double bond O hydrogen, where R is equal to maybe hydrogen, maybe alkyl group or aryl group is present. For example, this is the R group. We can take the hydrogen. This is called as the methanol. The common name of this compound is formaldehyde. We can take the CH3 for R group. This is ethanol. The common name of this compound is acetaldehyde. Whereas we can take the aryl group having aldehyde group. So this is benzaldehyde. So general formula of ketone is RC double bond O R dash, where R dash is equal to maybe alkyl groups or aryl groups are present. So we can take the example for ketones. For R, we can take CH3 groups. The compound of ketone is propanone. One alkyl group is ethyl group. Another alkyl group is methyl group. The name of this ketone is butanone. This is the aromatic ketone, phenylethanone, then H2-phenone. See, so in carbonyl compounds, the carbon is a sp2 hybridized carbon having sigma bonds and 1 pi bond between carbon and oxygen. So the carbonyl group is a trigonal planar structure with bond angle 120 degrees centigrade, 120 degrees. So the bond angle between three attached atoms are nearly 120 degrees. So in carbonyl compounds, carbon is a sp2 hybridized carbon. So in between carbon and oxygen, one sigma bond and 1 pi bond is present. So this is the trigonal planar structure having bond angle is 120 degrees. So in carbonyl group, oxygen is more electronegative atom than the carbon. So the carbonyl oxygen has partial negative charge and the carbon partial positive charge. Nomenclature of carbonyl compounds. For aldehydes, aldehydes are named by replacing final E of the name of the corresponding alkane with the al. You can get the nomenclature of IUPAC nomenclature of aldehyde. So see here, one carbon having compound having one carbon The alkane name is methane. Instead of E replaced by all, you can get the IUPAC nomenclature of this aldehyde is methanol. So methane is replaced by Al all. So the name of compound is methanol in the IUPAC nomenclature. So in aldehydes, the suffix is all, Al all. So whereas see here, second compound, two carbons are present. Two carbons of hydrocarbon alkane name is ethane. Instead of E, you can take the all. You can get IUPAC nomenclature of this compound is ethanol. Similar, propanol, three carbons, aldehyde group, propanol. In this compound, third carbon having OH group, 3-hydroxypropanol. This is the phenyl ethanol. This is the benzaldehyde. So ketones are named by replacing the final E of the name of the corresponding alkane with 1. The parent chain is then numbered in the way that gives the carbon atom the lowest possible number, and this number is used to indicate its position. For example, so 3 carbons are present in this compound. The keto group is present. The name of this compound, 3 carbons of alkane name is propane. You can replace small e of alkane by one, O-N-E, one. The name of this compound, IUPAC name of this compound is propanone. Whereas in this case, so 4 carbons are present. Name of the hydrocarbon alkane name is butane. Instead of E, one is added as a suffix. The name of this compound, butanone. Similar. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons are present in this. Carbonyl group is nearest to from this side. So 1, you can give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why at the second carbon, keto group is present. The name of this compound is pentane 2-1. So in this total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons are present. Third carbon has carbonyl group, keto group is present. The name of this compound is pentane 3-1 or 3-pentanone. Also, you can naming this 3-pentanone or pentane 3-1. This is the cyclohexane having keto group. The name of this compound is cyclohexanone. So this is the phenyl ethanone. Another name is estophenone. Nomenclature of carbonyl compounds. So see here, some structures are present. We are giving IUPAC name of these compounds. So this is the aldehyde group. Total 4 carbons are present. the name of this compound is butanol, not butanol, ol for alcohols. So all for aldehydes. So that's why the name of this compound is butanol. So whereas this is the 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons, second carbon having keto group, the name of this compound is butanone. So see here, this is the aldehyde group, second carbon attached with methyl group, so methyl propanol. Another compounds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons are present. The name of this compound is pentanol. So aldehyde group having 5 carbons, so pentanol. So this is the pentanone, 2-pentanone or pentane 2-ol. So second carbon having keto group is present. So keto group for ol as a suffix. That's why 2-pentanone or pentane 2-ol. So in this also total 5 carbons. Third carbon having keto group is present. That's why pentane 3-1 or 3-pentanone. This is the nomenclature of carbonyl compounds. So physical properties of carbonyl compounds. Simple aldehydes and ketones are gases or liquids at room temperature. So molecular weight increases, boiling points and melting points also increases. So see here, molecular weight increases, boiling points and melting points also increases. So carbonyl compounds have higher boiling points and melting points than hydrocarbons of similar relative molecular masses. Therefore, the presence of dipole-dipole interactions are there. Whereas we can compare the boiling points and melting points with the corresponding alcohols. So carbonyl compounds have lower boiling points and melting points than the corresponding alcohols. The reason is dipole-dipole interactions are weaker than intermolecular hydrogen bonds. So alcohols has intermolecular hydrogen bonds. Due to this one, the molecular mass of similar carbonyl compounds compared to, so those alcohols have high boiling points and melting points. So this is the reason. So simply we can say that carbonyl compounds have lower boiling points and melting points corresponding the alcohols with the same molecular masses or weight. So in alcohols are hydroxy compounds having intermolecular hydrogen bonds. That's why those compounds, hydroxy compounds or alcohols, greater the boiling points and melting points. See here, solubility of carbonyl compounds. Aldehydes and ketones of low molecular masses shows appreciable solubilities in water. So carbonyl oxygen can form stronger hydrogen bond with the water molecule. So that's why propane and ethanol, propanone and ethanol are soluble in water in all proportions. So once again, carbonyl oxygen can form strong hydrogen bond with the water molecule like this. That's why the hydrogen bond is intermolecular hydrogen bond. present. So lower molecular masses of aldehydes and ketones soluble in water. For example, ethanol for aldehyde, propanone for ketone, having low molecular masses of these two compounds are soluble in water in all proportions due to hydrogen bond between carbonyl oxygen and hydrogen of water molecule. So preparation of carbonyl compounds, how to prepare aldehydes and ketones. The first method, dehydrogenation of alcohols. Industrially, lower number of aldehydes and ketones are prepared from this method by passing alcohol vapor over a hot silver catalyst. So see here, this is the primary alcohol passing over hot silver catalyst. You can get the aldehyde per dehydrogenation reaction. Whereas secondary alcohol, we can prepare ketones. So ketones prepared from secondary alcohols, aldehydes prepared from primary alcohols for this method. Oxidation of alcohols. So oxidation of alcohols, aldehydes are prepared by oxidation of primary alcohols, ketones are prepared by oxidation of secondary alcohols. Here oxidizing agent is used, acidified potassium dichromate. So acidified potassium dichromate acting as a oxidizing agent, preparation of aldehydes from primary alcohol, preparation of ketones from secondary alcohol. So that's why aldehydes are prepared by oxidation of primary alcohols. So primary alcohol oxidized in the presence of acidic potassium dichromate gives aldehyde or C double bond OH. This is the secondary alcohol oxidized in the presence of acidic potassium dichromate. You can get ketone. You can take the, you can prepare acetaldehyde from ethanol. You can prepare acetone from isopropyl alcohol or secondary propyl alcohol. So secondary propyl alcohol oxidation gives acetone, propanol, whereas primary ethyl alcohol or ethyl alcohol oxidized gives acetaldehyde. So you can take the primary propanol gives propanaldehyde. So isopropyl alcohol gives acetone in oxidation reaction. Also, we can prepare the carbonyl compounds from ozonolysis reaction, alkenes ozonolysis reaction. The reaction is called oxidative cleavage of alkenes by ozonolysis reaction. Ozone reacts with alkenes to form ozonides. Ozonides are reduced by zinc and water to give aldehydes or ketones. So gives carbonyl compounds. Aldehydes and ketones are called carbonyl compounds. That's why ozonides are reduced by zinc and water to give carbonyl compounds. The example of alkene, this is, so alkyl substituted alkenes, reaction with ozone, the formation of addition reaction, the intermediate is ozonide. This is undergoing reduction by zinc and water. You can get the carbonyl compounds. So decarboxylation of acid salts. Aldehydes can be prepared by heating of a mixture calcium acetate and calcium formate. So you can get the acetaldehyde. So on heating of calcium acetate and calcium formate, you can prepare acetaldehyde. Preparation of carbonyl compounds by heating of calcium acetate only, you can get the acetone. So the mixture of calcium acetate and calcium formate gives aldehyde, acetaldehyde. Whereas you can take the only calcium acetate, you can get the acetone. So next preparation method from reduction of acid chlorides. Acid chlorides also called as the acyl chlorides. So aldehydes can be prepared by reducing acid chlorides by treatment with hydrogen in the presence of palladium barium sulfate as a catalyst. So acid chloride plus H2 giving rise to aldehyde. So you can take the acetyl chloride, you can get the acetaldehyde from this reaction. So acetaldehyde prepared by acetyl chloride. So see once again. Carbonyl compounds contain C double bond O group. So aldehydes and ketones having carbonyl containing C double bond O group, carbonyl group. That's why these are called carbonyl compounds. General formula of aldehyde is RC double bond OH, where R is equal to hydrogen or alkyl or aryl group. So this is the example for methanol, ethanol, benzaldehyde. These are aldehydes. The general formula of ketone is RC double bond O R dash, where R dash are alkyl or aryl groups. So example, propanone, butanone, phenyl, ethanol. So in carbonyl compounds, carbonyl carbon is sp2 hybridized. So between carbonate oxygen, sigma bond and pi bond is present. The carbonyl group has a trigonal planar structure having bond angle is 120 degrees. So in carbonyl group, oxygen is more electronegative than the carbon. That's why carbonyl oxygen bears a partial negative charge and the carbonyl carbon bears partial positive charge. This is the partial negative, partial positive. So nomenclature of carbonyl compounds, we can take the aldehydes. Aldehydes are named by replacing the final E of the name of the corresponding alkane with the al. You can get the IUPAC nomenclature of aldehydes. This is the methanol, common name is formaldehyde. Whereas this is the ethanol, the common name is acetaldehyde. So propanol, 3-hydroxypropanol, phenyl, ethanol, benzaldehyde. So nomenclature of ketones. Ketones are named by replacing the final E of the name of the corresponding alkane with the word. So example, propanol. The common name of this compound is acetone, butanone, 2-pentanone or pentane 2-1, pentane 3-1, cyclohexanone, phenylethanone. So see here some compounds are there. You can giving the name, IUPAC name of these carbonyl compounds. This is the aldehyde having 4 carbons, butanol. This is the ketone, second carbon having keto group, so butanol. So this is the aldehyde group is present, second carbon attached with methyl group, that's why methyl propanol. See here, so aldehyde group is present having total 5 carbons. The name of this compound is pentanol. This is the pentane 2-1, pentane 3-1. So physical properties of carbonyl compounds. Simple aldehydes and ketones are gases or liquids at room temperature. So boiling points, melting points increases with molecular weight increases. So molecular masses increases, boiling points and melting points also increases. See table here. So carbonyl compounds, molecular masses increases, maybe aldehydes are ketones. So boiling points and melting points increases. So we can compare the boiling points and melting points with alcohols. So carbonyl compounds have lower boiling points and melting points than the corresponding alcohols. The reason is dipole-dipole interactions are weaker than intermolecular hydrogen bonds. So whereas we can compare the boiling points and melting points with the hydrocarbons. So carbonyl compounds have higher boiling points and melting points than the hydrocarbons. So the reason is the presence of dipole-dipole interactions present in carbonyl compounds. So you can simply say carbonyl compounds have higher boiling points and melting points than the hydrocarbons. But carbonyl compounds have lower boiling points and melting points than the corresponding alcohols. See here in graph. So solubility, you can take we can discuss the solubility of carbonyl compounds, aldehydes and ketones of low molecular masses. So are soluble in water. This is due to the reason is, so carbonyl oxygen can form strong hydrogen bond with water molecule. The hydrogen bond is intermolecular hydrogen bond. That's why ethanol and propanone, this is the aldehyde, this is the ketone, lower molecular masses having are soluble in water in all proportions. This is due to formation of intermolecular hydrogen bond with carbonyl oxygen and hydrogen in water molecule. So preparation of carbonyl compounds. First method of preparation, dehydrogenation of alcohols. Industrially, lower member aldehydes and ketones are prepared from this method by passing alcohol vapor over a hot silver catalyst. So aldehydes prepared from primary alcohol, ketones prepared from secondary alcohol. So oxidation of alcohols. So you can use the oxidizing agent kit, potassium dichromate, acidified potassium dichromate. Using acidified potassium dichromate, primary alcohol gives to aldehydes, secondary alcohols gives to ketones. That means primary aldehydes prepared from primary alcohols in oxidation reaction, ketones prepared from secondary alcohols from oxidation reaction. So also oxidative cleavage of alkenes in ozonolysis reaction, we can prepare carbonyl compounds. So ozone reacts with the alkenes vigorously to form ozonides. These ozonides are reduced by zinc and water to give carbonyl compounds. Aldehydes are ketones. So this is the alkene. Addition with the ozone, we can get the ozonide. Reduction takes place. Carbonyl compounds are formed. Preparation of carbonyl compounds from decarboxylation of acid salts. We can take the mixture of calcium acetate and calcium formate. We can get the aldehyde. Whereas we can take the only calcium acetate on heating, we can get the ketone. So another preparation method is reduction of SL chlorides or acid chlorides. So aldehydes can be prepared by reducing acyl chlorides by treatment with the hydrogen in the presence of palladium barium sulfate. So this is the acid chloride plus H2. Using this catalyst, we can prepare the aldehyde. You can take the acyl chloride, you can get the acetaldehyde. So thank you, Aranda.